Good morning once again. This is Teacher Joker, and for today's class, our subject is math. Okay, so our topic for today, we're going to continue our lesson about dividing decimals with the whole numbers. So, are you ready? Okay, so for today, this is your activity. This is to be found on page 45 in your workbook. So the instruction says here, divide the decimal in the whole numbers, round the answer to the nearest tenth and hundredths. So starting from number 17, 18, and 19, you're going to round your answer to the nearest tenths. While for number 20, 21, and 22, you're going to round your answer to the nearest hundredths. Okay, so let's have the example. So number 17, we have here 60.848 divided by 4. So first is you're going to solve that one using the long division. Well, it's up to you. So you're going to divide 60.848 by 4. Okay, so if you're going to divide that one, the answer will be 15.212. Okay, so since the instruction says round your answer to the nearest tens, we're going to round our answer, which is 15.212. We're going to round that one to the nearest tens, wherein the answer is 15.2. Why 2? Because the digit on the hundredths place is 1. Therefore, 2 will remain 2. Okay, so the answer is 15.2. Okay, round to the nearest tens. So you're going to do the same on number 18. Divide 70.616 by 14. And then your answer, you're going to round to the nearest tens. Same as number 17. Okay. Now let's have for number 19. In number 19, 82.878 divided by 19. So in here, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths. Okay, so our answer from dividing 82.878 divided by 9 is equal to 4.362. Okay, so we are going to round this one into the nearest hundredths. So if we're going to round this one to the nearest hundredths, 4.362 will become 4.36. Why? Because this is below 4. Therefore, the numbers on the left side will remain the same. So 4.36. Round to the nearest hundredths. Okay, number 20, 99.765 divided by 27. Round your answer to the nearest hundredths. Same as we did in number 19. And for number 21, 164.289 divided by 23. So the instruction is round to the nearest hundreds. Round your answer to the nearest hundreds. So divide first 164.289 divided by 23, I should say 23. And then your answer, you're going to round it to the nearest hundreds. So 7.143 round to the nearest hundreds, that will be 7.14. So your answer here is 7.14. This is what you're going to write on your workbook. Okay? And the last one, we have here the last number, 4,176.816 divided by 42. Okay, so the same as number 21. You're going to divide that one. Divide 4,176.816 divided by 42. That is 99.448. But you're going to round again this one to the nearest hundreds. So whatever is the answer, that is what we're going to write on your workbook. So 99.448 round to the nearest hundreds. What is the answer? 99.45, because this is more than 5. Therefore, 44 will be rounded as 45. Okay? So 99.45. Okay? So that ends your activity. So this is your activity now. On page 45 again, kindly answer this one. So again, on number 17, 18, and 19, you're going to round your answer to the nearest tens. Divide first this one, and then your answer, you're going to round to the nearest tens. Okay? And for 20, 21, and 22, after you divide the numbers, you're going to round your answers to the nearest 100. Okay? So that ends our activity for today, and see you again on the next period.